Welcome back to 3-Course Meals. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. So today we are going to be sharing our Valentine's recipes.
Yeah, so you can make these for yourself, for your sweetheart, for your kids. They're gonna be a hit with anybody. They're gonna be amazing. So I'm gonna make a Love Martini. It's pink. It's cute. It's got strawberries, right? That's like the staple for Valentine's Day. And then you are gonna make
Shrimp Scampi. Oh my goodness. This is great anytime, but it is kind of a nice
but
little
it's like
romantic,
elegant, yeah.
it's a
It's
nice
light and elegant, yeah.
kind of a fancy little dish.
Yes. And then for dessert, because you have to have chocolate on Valentine's Day, I'm gonna make a molten chocolate lava cake. The only thing you can do to chocolate to make it better is put it in more chocolate.
And have it pour out all over your plate. Let's get started drinking.
Okay, so this is our Love Martini. I know the ingredients look a little overwhelming, but it calls for citron vodka, and we don't have that, so we're just gonna like makeshift something. So we've got lemon and lime juice. We're just gonna kind of put a little splash in there to give it the flavor that we're missing from not having the citron. So first things first, we're going to rim our glasses, and I just have a little lime wedge here, because remember, we're using the lime in the vodka. So now I'm going to take these strawberries and I'm going to turn them into little hearts. So all I'm going to do is just from the top, cut a little V shape to get the stem out. Just like that. So it's just a little wedge, a little strawberry wedge. And now I'm going to go kind of sideways. So I'm gonna cut into that little slit and then make another one.
So cute.
And now I have little hearts. And they float.
That is so cute.
Actually, oh my goodness!
Oh!
These are so cute. They put me in just a little love spirit. I need a Valentine. Jackson! Cheers.
So good. Wow. That is so good.
It's so good.
So tasty.
It's so light.
That's what I was gonna say. It's sweet, but it's not like sappy sweet.
Which is usually what we're going for.
Yeah.
But it's so good.
Highly recommend that berry rim with it.
I'm telling you.
Must try.
Yeah.
That's all I've got to say. You have to try this. Wow, this is good. Wow. Wow.
Wow. Yeah, it's delicious. I feel like this is such a lame review because we're just like, well.
I know. I mean, what more do you need to know other than we can't stop drinking it?
On to the next.
All right, so I use frozen shrimp, and you can tell here I've got this. It's peeled, deveined with the tail off. It's 31.40, which means there are 31 to 40 pieces per pound, so it's a really good size to use. Since I buy it frozen, and this is a 2-pound pack, and I only need 1 pound, I'm going to put half of this, so about 1 pound, in a bag here so that it can defrost. So now I'm going to put this bag in a bowl of cold water for about 30 to 45 minutes until it defrosts. And then I'm going to put a bowl on top of it to help hold it down under the water.
I'm gonna need a bib because it's about to get messy.
Oh, so good. I mean, it came together
Look at your
really,
cute
really
little
fast.
garnishes.
Fresh parsley from my garden.
Oh, you're not getting a bite with shrimp first?
Oh, okay. That's a big bite.
Cheers.
Mm,
That is so good.
that is so, so tasty.
Oh my God. And like it doesn't, I like that it doesn't have sauce because it doesn't feel so heavy, which is good for a date night.
Just really the butter. Well, I mean, the wine did give it a little bit more flavor, but yeah, butter. Oh, so good. If you get everything prepped and ready to go, the rest of it just comes together so, so fast.
And I always mess up shrimp. I always overcook it.
It's easy to overcook
You
it.
did good. It's really good.
So, pro tip when you're making shrimp, let it thaw. Now, you can cook it frozen, but it does get a little bit rubbery.
I'm hungry now.
Exactly. Let it thaw. Make sure you pat it dry. It cooks so fast, but it's worth it because it keeps it, it locks in the flavor when you go through those steps. So good.
Look, you want a Lady in the Tramp me?
No. Well, it is romantic. No, go away.
Jackson! Okay, so for our chocolate lava cakes, what we're gonna, my mouth starts melting, or my mouth starts melting. My mouth starts drooling and I get an aneurysm, I can't talk.
Don't say that.
Okay, so I'm gonna start by melting the chocolate chips with the butter.
You can never have too much chocolate.
Okay, I'm gonna put this in the microwave and get it all melty and buttery, and it's gonna be freaking amazing. And I'm just gonna do like 15-second increments and mix it up just so I don't burn my chocolate. Because that would ruin Valentine's Day. That's perfect. So that was about 40 seconds. And it's perfect. I could drink that. I'm gonna. Okay, so I'm gonna put these in the oven at 425 for 13 to 15 minutes. I'm gonna be looking for the chocolate to start like pulling away from the sides of the ramekins. I don't know. They look done. What do you think? I think they're done.
I mean, they look
I've
good.
never made something like this. I think they're done. Honestly, I want them a little like extra gooey on the inside.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna let these cool. It says let them sit for 1 minute. Then we're gonna dump them over, the powdered sugar and strawberries on them, and chow down. Oh my god! Oh my god! I did that. Can you tell I've been practicing my what is this called? Sifting.
Sifting.
I've been practicing my sifting since the last time I've used this. Okay, I'm nervous. I really hope it's worth all the hype. Oh my gosh.
It's a lava.
I know.
You're supposed to eat it warm. You're supposed to put ice cream on it too.
I know. She doesn't have ice cream.
You're so bad about it.
Cheers. My mind feels like a lava cake right now. It just.
Wow. Oh my gosh, it's so decadent.
Oh my. I'm going to drool all over this counter. That is amazing.
Mhm. I honestly thought it was gonna be a lot harder to make.
I was thinking that too.
Mhm.
Like, yes, it's small. I wish it was bigger and there was more of it. But it wasn't hard. I could make more. It wasn't that hard.
And you can make the batter and leave it in the refrigerator. I think it's up to 2 days. And then throw them in the ramekins and the oven when you're ready to eat them. Because you have to eat them right away. This isn't something that you can make ahead and then warm up later. Because then
Because it won't be lava.
Yeah. Amazing.
That is. Oh. That raspberry was really good with it.
I think it says a lot that every one of these recipes that we've tried, we've done more eating and drinking than we have talking.
Mm-hmm.
They are, all of them, 10 out of 10. Amazing.
I'd take. I was going to say 11 out of 10.
Yeah. Every one of them.
Yes.
All right.
I mean, the drink could have used more alcohol, but.
We were discussing that. We may make ours a little stronger. Just saying. Next time
I have bounced back.
Next time you make them, it's gonna be like a very pale peach color. Not gonna be any pink to it. All right. Thank you very much for joining us. I hope that you guys try these recipes and pull yourself together a nice little romantic dinner.
Yes. Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
This was so fun. My Valentine.
Ooh, it's in there tight.
That's what she said. You had to know that was coming. I need a Valentine. Jackson.
Don't call him in here. He's being good.
Oh, shoot.